Hello folks, how's everybody doing? Went over to Silverwood Lake today, had ourselves a really nice walk. I wish the fishing was a little bit better, but you know what, that's just the way it goes. But wanted to get a video out for you guys anyways, and just kind of let you know the current situation. Silverwood Lake was just stocked yesterday, so we wanted to get out there and try to get some fish and see what we could try to find. This is not the current lake levels right now. Actually, the lake levels are a lot lower than what this drone footage is at, but just kind of gives you an aspect of the layout. And if you've never been to Silverwood Lake, this is a great drone shot, just so that way you can see and points and stuff like that. So anyhow, again, lake was just stocked with trout just recently, just this week. So we wanted to get out there and try to get our luck out there. Unfortunately, that just did not happen. We did some hiking over at Miller Canyon. We did some more walking around the beach, and just we couldn't get in it. Eddie was wearing his waders, tried to get out there a little bit further. These fish were just beyond casting distance. So let me just give you a little history on Silverwood Lake. It is a large reservoir in San Bernardino County in California, and is located on the West Fork of the Mojave River, a tributary of the Mojave River in the San Bernardino Mountains. The lake was created in 1971 as part of the State Water Project by the construction of the Cedar Springs Dam as a forebay on the 444-mile-long California Aqueduct, and has a capacity of 73,000 square feet. According to Wikipedia, Silverwood Lake is located on the East Branch of the California Aqueduct. It is operated by the California Department of Water Resources and provides a major water source for agencies serving nearby San Bernardino Mountain and Mojave Desert areas. Some 2,400 acres of recreation land surround the lake. The lake has an elevation of 3,355 feet, and Silverwood Lake is the highest reservoir in the State Water Project. Silverwood Lake is one of many California state parks featuring picnicking, hiking trails, swimming beaches, and designated areas for boating, water skiing, and fishing. The PCT, or the Pacific Crest Trail, the jewel in the crown of America's scenic trails, spanning 2,650 miles from Mexico to Canada through 3 western states, passes through the Silverwood Lake State Recreation Area, with trailheads for short or long hikes. A 2009 California Water Board study found significantly elevated levels of toxic polychlorinated biphenyls and mercury levels in largemouth bass at Silverwood Lake. Therefore, this has prompted local media to express concerns over the large number of anglers keeping and eating fish from this popular Inland Empire lake. The California Office of Environmental Health Hazard has developed a safe eating advisory for fish caught in the lake based on the levels of mercury, or PCBs, found in local species. Alrighty everyone, now that you feel a little bit more educated at Silverwood Lake, I'm gonna get over to Carlos. I'm gonna actually stop talking right now, but I'm gonna get over to Carlos and he's gonna let you know about how he did and what he caught his fish on today. Let me get over to Carlos. Hey guys, what is going on today? Today I'm over here at Silverwood Lake in Silverwood, California. And today was kind of a slow day for myself. Didn't catch anything on the fly. However, one of my most recent subscribers, Carlos, happened to do very well, and he caught a lot of his fish. How, Carlos?
I used a red and gold 1/6 Thomas Boyant spoon. Threw it out as far as I could. Retrieved it, not fast but not slow, on 2-pound test, Hyzer line.
So there you have it, guys. And I'm going to tell you, he was chucking this thing out very far. It was getting way out there. And again, it was just beyond my casting distance. So he was hooking up pretty well. And Carlos, what's the results? Let me see what you caught.
Right here.
I'm going to show you this stringer, guys. Be ready. We actually got a big old helicopter right there.
Right here.
Check out that stringer, guys.
Caught 4, released 4.
So how many did you catch today, Carlos?
Total 8.
Caught a total of 8 today. So if you guys are near the area, make sure you guys get out over here to Silverwood. Nice day out here. Would you agree?
Absolutely.
Awesome day out here. So get on the water, get you some fishing, and I'll see you guys on the next fishing video. Later.